Want to finally prove your marketing efforts are paying off? Let's dive into setting up website conversion tracking with Google Tag Manager so you can measure what truly matters. First, head over to Google Tag Manager and select the workspace for the website you're tracking if you don't already have an account. Sign up, it's free. Click on Tags in the left-hand menu, then hit New to create your first conversion tag. Give it a clear name, like lead form submission or product purchase. Now click on Tag Configuration and choose Google Analytics GA4 Event. Make sure you have your Google Analytics for property set up. If not, pause this video and get that sorted first. Enter an event name that describes the conversion, like form_submission or product_purchase. This is how you'll see it in Google Analytics. You can also add event parameters to send extra data, like the value of a purchase. Next, click on Triggering. This tells Tag Manager when to fire the tag. Click the plus sign to create a new trigger. Choose the appropriate trigger type for a form submission. Select form submission if it's a button click. Select click all elements. Customize the trigger based on your specific element. Configure your trigger conditions for a form submission. Specify which form IDs or URLs should trigger the tag for a click trigger. Use the element's ID or class. Use a unique identifier that's exclusive to the confirmation page. Review your tag and trigger settings to make sure everything is correct, then click Save Tag. Now, the most important step, click Preview in the upper right corner. This opens the Tag Assistant, allowing you to test your tag on your website. Navigate to your website in the Tag Assistant and perform the conversion action. Check the Tag Assistant to confirm that your tag fired successfully. Once you've confirmed everything is working, click Submit to publish your changes. Add a descriptive version, name and description so you can easily track updates in the future. Congratulations! You've successfully set up conversion tracking with Google Tag Manager. Now, head over to Google Analytics to analyze your data and watch those conversions climb.